You want to make extra cash in your spare time, like 50 to 100 US dollar daily. And even if you don't have a business or you have a job but still want to optimize your spare time, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 legit websites that will pay you daily no matter where you're from. This legit website works worldwide and in all devices, so no one is left out. Hi guys, my name is Joseph and I want you to earn more money to live the life of fulfillment and freedom. So go ahead and like this video, smash the subscribe button. It is all free, guys, to subscribe, and I recommend you watch this video until the very end so you will be able to choose the best website to start with and earn extra income. Now let's get right to it. The first website that will pay you daily is CourseHero.com. When you come to CourseHero.com, this is the first interface. Earn money as an online tutor, leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 20 million students. You can make up to 1,500 US dollar per month. As a tutor with CourseHero, you can make extra income, work when you want, help students study and learn at the same time. Applying to be a tutor is very easy on this CourseHero. The first stage is to create your account here and provide basic information and select your tutoring subject and upload your ID and academic credentials. Get approved within 7 days and start tutoring and start making money. They cover a lot of subjects. When you scroll down, you can see that we have a wide range of subject domains: art, humanity, language, engineering, technology, business, science, maths, and social science. So you guys are all covered. No matter any subject you are good at, you can start teaching from this website and start making money from it. The second legit website that pays you daily we will look at is TryMatter.com. In TryMatter.com, as you can see from the whole page, unleash your best digital experience. This website pay you to write a review about websites and apps and the digital product. This website can pay you through PayPal every weekday. All you have to do is to be yourself, honestly write your thoughts and experience so that the site developer can understand your experience and how they can improve the site. So to apply for this website or to register for this website, click on this get started with usability testing. When you click on it, you can see this page here that says I want to get paid. So you click on it, fill in your detail, get paid to use websites and app, and give your honest feedback and earn from 5 to 30 US dollar with test. You fill in your full name here, you put your PayPal account, but if you don't have PayPal email, you don't need to worry because there is a tons of video on YouTube that can help you create a PayPal account from anywhere in the world. After putting in your full name, your PayPal email account, then password, then confirm password, you create account. Once you create account from this website, you start making money. And this website TryMatter.com can pay you from 50 to 100 US dollar daily. So guys, go and check it out and start making money from this website. So the next website is ClearVoice.com. ClearVoice is a freelancing platform you join by creating a CV profile where you will showcase your expertise. You can view other people's profile from this and get an idea on how to register. When you work as a ClearVoice client, you get paid through PayPal immediately after your assignment has been approved. So guys, go to this website and check it out and start making money from it. You can earn from 50 to 100 US dollar daily from this website. The fourth website that pays you daily is SproutsGig.com. SproutsGig.com is a freelancing and micro worker website. In this website, you can do a little task like watching of YouTube video, subscribe to a YouTube channel, and many other tasks. You can work as an expert in a certain field and get paid. Check the website. There are many easy ways you can make up to 50 to 100 US dollar daily from this website. To sign up, click on sign up, fill in your details, your real name, email address, password, confirm password. If you have a nickname, you put, then you select your country. This website is available worldwide. You can apply from anywhere you're from and you start making money from this website. Finally, if you have an idea and you don't have money to start that your idea, watch the video on the description or up here to know how to get free 4,000 US dollar from a secret website. If you find this video helpful, smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you next time.